Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos, videos and other data from iPhone to Android device without any third-party application for inbuilt iPhone settings. This is the latest iPhone 17 device and this is the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. So now we transfer all my important photos and videos to iPhone to Android device without any third-party application like Gender or any other application. So first of all, open the photos in your iPhone device, iPhone 17 or any other iPhone. Tap on the select at the top right. Now select the photo you want to transfer. So here we select these three photo. Also select this 5-second video. Now we select two photos and videos. Now tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner. Here you can see at the top options. Tap on it. Here you need to select the iCloud link. If you can't find the iCloud link, it means you need to set up your Apple account. Uh, After set up the Apple account, you can find this option. Otherwise, you can't see this iCloud link option on your iPhone. Now to go on all phones photo data. Now tap on the top right corner. Now here you can see the messages option, or you can select individual contact also. If you want to add the manually number, tap on the messages, iMessages on your device. Make sure your account is synchronized with your iCloud account. Otherwise, you can't find your contact list here. Here you can manually enter the number you want to send photos, videos, or any other data. But here we select the default contact, so tap on it. Now here you need to wait and you can find the message on your Samsung device. So we unlock my Samsung device. Now tap on the send button. Here you can add comment. Now tap the send button. Now wait and you can find the text message on your Samsung device. Now here you can see receive the text message. So tap on it. Open the messages app on your Samsung phone. So tap on the message. Here you can see this type of message. Say .icloud.com photos. So tap on that link on your device. Tap on a continue anyway. Tap on a continue. Now here you can find the list of sent it. Here you can find both the photos and a video we sent. So tap on it. Tap on the download to download it on your device. Now here you can see the file download. So go back, tap on the again video you want to download, tap on the download, tap on open details. So you can find it on your Google Photos also. So open the Google Photos on your device, open the collection and you can find the downloaded photos and videos. So quite easy to transfer data from iPhone to Android device without third-party application. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.